Alright, it's been a few days. Got your side lights in white here. Been quite the arduous journey. Oh, put that on miles an hour. Yep. It's just a little hard to do these things. You would think it'd be pretty easy, but I put this together the other night, 2 nights ago. I was going to go out and set the mile an hour on it, and I had put white for your traction control and your cruise control, and he had red transparency in there, so it came out pink, and it was a flipping hot pink too. And I just couldn't do that to another Z driver, except for that dude in the Middle East. Anyway, so it looks, it's so bright you can't even imagine, and it's all bright all the way around. It doesn't trail off. We got a little bit of trailing off at 160 and 0, but other than that, man, it's just real nice. So I'm on to doing your HVAC and your doors, and it's just real cool. So I will post this for you later. Alright, cool as a jewel. Your car is going to look spectacular. Your gauges are really bright. I have your doors to do, and but I'll post this and upload it while I do your doors, and unless a tornado comes, I'll pack this up and ship it to you this afternoon when I get up. Alright then. You're going to have a great looking car, Daniel. Alright then.